GalaxyFighter. This lesson is called The Bombs. Here we see an alien. If you look closely, you see that he is carrying a big bomb. He is also moving in space. When the alien is passing over or under the ship, he releases his deadly cargo. When the ship is hit by a bomb, it is destroyed. How do we make this happen? As you know, the game layer is sending update aliens messages to the alien manager 60 times per second. The alien manager wants to drop bombs, and he has a bomb manager to help him. To make the bomb manager drop a bomb, the alien manager must provide a start point for the bomb and an end point. But when should that happen? What conditions must be met? Well, the condition is that the alien passes the ship. And who knows when that happens? Of course, the collision manager. The collision manager has access to both alien array and the ship. In fact, he uses that info to decide if the alien is colliding with the ship. But the same info can be used to decide if the alien is passing the ship's position. Suppose that the collision manager has spotted that yes, this particular alien is now passing the ship's position. He can then send the message passing ship's position who alien. The alien manager, receiving that info, can tag that particular alien as not any longer carrying the bomb. He can calculate the start position and the end position of the bomb and send a shoot from start position to end position message to the bomb manager, who will then send the bomb on its way. Let's go to Xcode and make this happen. We are inside Xcode. Our task is to let the aliens drop bombs when they pass by the ship. The bombs travel vertically. If the bomb hits the ship is destroyed. Only one bomb per alien is allowed. Our plan is to treat the bombs similar to laser shots. The new resources that we will use is an image called bomb.png and a sound called bomb.mp3. We don't have any new classes in this lesson. 3 classes are affected. As usual, we have some new constants in the common class. In the collision manager, we have to detect when the alien passes by the ship, and we have to test for collision between the bomb and the ship. In the alien manager, we create a bomb manager, and we add a method called passingWho, which will be called by the collision manager. Let's look at our starting point. In our sprite sheet, we have a new image, bomb.png. In our sounds, we have a new sound called bomb.mp3. Let's listen to it. Let's look at the new code. In the common class, we have 2 floating point values called yLow and yHigh. These values are used for calculating the end position of our bombs. The flying time for our bombs is set to 2.5 seconds. Under the alien heading, we have 2 new constants, hasBomb and lexBomb. These are for keeping track if the alien has already dropped its bomb or not. Let's now look at the collision manager. the implementation part. In the ship hits object, we add a new line that tests if the alien has bomb and if it is passing over or under the ship. If yes, then we send the message passing parameter ship position, who parameter the pointer to the current alien, to the alien manager. In the ship hits something method, we are adding a collision test between the ship and the bomb. Let's now go to Alien Manager, the interface part. We are declaring a shot manager, because our bomb manager will be a shot manager, as you can see here. We are declaring the bomb manager as a property here, because the collision manager will later need to access it in order to decide if any bomb has collided with the ship. We are declaring the method passing who here. In the implementation part, we are importing the shot manager and we are synthesizing the bomb manager. Let's go to init_with method. We have two new lines here. We are tagging each alien so that it has a bomb to begin with. Here we are creating the bomb manager. Let's go to passing who method. When we receive that message from the collision manager, we first tag the alien in question as lacking bomb. Then we calculate the end position for our bomb. And then we ask the bomb manager to shoot the bomb from the alien's current position to the calculated end position. That's everything there is to it. So let's run and test.